Hey there! Thanks for tuning in to my buyer's workshop. My name's Savannah Tessner and I'm a licensed Florida realtor servicing the greater Tampa area and parts of Central Florida. If you're looking to get in touch, schedule a consult at savannahtessner.com, linked up here.
Get strong.
Here is our checklist overview of what my buyer's workshop will cover. This video will be focused on getting to know me and what my brokerage is about. Now let's get started. Hey there, I'm Savannah Tessner and I'm a proud Tampa native. I graduated from the University of South Florida. Go Bulls! In 2021, I embarked on a real estate adventure during one of the craziest markets we've ever seen. It was a whirlwind, but I learned so much and built a fantastic network of vendors to help streamline the process. As an added bonus, I recently obtained my unmanned pilot's license, which allows me to capture stunning aerial photography and videography. My ultimate goal is to help make the home buying experience as stress-free as possible by providing you with the knowledge to make an informed decision. I'm thrilled to tell you about Mahara & Associates. We are a fantastic, small, local brokerage that truly stands out from the larger franchises. Our boutique size means that we're able to provide you with a personalized, detail-oriented service that larger companies simply can't match. But don't let our small size fool you. We pack a big punch and always deliver top-notch results. Here are our stats from 2022. Our total sales volume was just over $450 million, averaging $410,000 per home. We closed just over 1,100 transactions for the year. Buying real estate is a big deal, and it's important to be proactive and have a solid game plan in place. That's why I'd love for you to take a few minutes to fill out my intake form. It's the key to ensuring that all the details are taken care of and that your purchasing process is as streamlined as possible. Trust me, the magic is in the details. Let's work together to make sure that you have all your ducks in a row before making one of the biggest purchases of your life. It has been so wonderful to have you here. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or just have questions about real estate, I'm here to lend a hand. Let's chat about your goals and how I can help you achieve them. Simply click the link and schedule a consult, and let's get started.